So today I'm going to show you on how to get the y prime of 3 cosine plus 2 sine x. So I'm going to transpose this 2. It depends on you if you're going to transpose it, but it will arrive in the same answer but with different structure, but the value will be the same. So let's go to write this in the form of 2d over dx sine x plus 3d over dx cosine x. So the next thing we are going to do is to get the derivative of this function. So the derivative of sine is cosine of x, and plus, since the given is plus, so we're going just to copy. Plus the derivative of cosine is negative, so we're going to make negative 1 sine x. And then we're going to multiply this, and this will result to, let me put first multiplication. So this will result to 2 cosine x minus, since this will result to negative 3 sine x. So that's the answer for the y prime of y is equal to 3 cosine plus 2 sine x is equal to 2 cosine x minus 3 sine x.
So here we have another problem, which is y equals e raised to x sine x. By applying the product rule, it's going to be y prime equals e raised to x times the derivative of sine x plus sine x times the derivative of e raised to x. Then bring down the e raised to x. We all know that the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So bring down the cosine x. Plus bring down the sine x. Then bring down the e raised to x too. So y e raised to x is still e raised to x, even though you differentiate it, because if you differentiate that x, it's going to be 1, so that e raised to x is not going to change. Then we are going to factor the e raised to x, so going to be e raised to x parentheses cos x plus sin x. That's done. This is the final answer.
So in this problem, we need to find the derivative of fx equals to x squared plus tan x. So we use the product, so it will become x squared derivative of tan x plus tan x derivative of x squared. Now we need to bring down the x squared, and the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Secant squared x. And just copy the tan x, and the derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. So x squared multiply to secant squared x equals to x squared secant squared x plus tan x multiply to 2x is equal to 2x tan x. So this will be the final answer.
The given is x is equals to negative 3t over cos t. So we need to find dx over dt. So in this given, we will be using quotient rule, which is bdu minus udb over b squared. So the equation will be dx over dt is equals to cos t times the derivative of negative 3t minus negative 3t times the derivative of cos t over cos t squared. So now we will solve the equation. Dx over dt is equals to cos t times the derivative of negative 3t, which is negative 3, minus negative 3t times the derivative of cos t, which is negative sin t, over cos t squared. Next will be is equals to dx over dt is equals to, we will move negative 3 here, so it will be negative 3 cos t minus negative minus 3t sin t, and this will become positive because negative times negative is equals to positive. So 3t sin t over cos t squared. To get the final answer, we will simplify this. So the final answer will be dx over dt is equals to negative 3 times cos t plus t sin t over cos squared t.